Good morning and welcome back to another video on the AutoVlog YouTube channel. We have an Indian summery, very beautiful day here in Pittsburgh. It's been extremely hot for the past 3 or 4 days. Now that was the mandatory weather report. Today's video is going to include a specific BMW M3 owner. It's my buddy Mike. Some of you guys might remember him. He just recently took delivery of his beautiful new car. But the guy has been chirping in my ear for quite a while here, and he's very confident that he might be able to give the beast a run for its money. So today is the day. But before we head out, I do want to remind everyone that missed the initial video where we introduced the GoPro Hero 7 giveaway that we're having on the channel right now. So if you are interested in winning a brand new GoPro Hero 7, 4K 60 frames per second, hyper smooth, time warp, a bunch of new cool features. This thing is awesome. I'm going to be using it in today's video. Go check that video out. I'm going to link it right up here in the corner somewhere and also in the description so you know what to do if you want to win a GoPro Hero 7. Let's go. And just like that, we're here. Gander Mountain, Tijuana, Mexico. There he is, cocky little M3 owner. Well, look at you. Oh, camera setup. Oh, the vlogger.
I missed that V8 rumble, man.
All right, so here we are. Met up with Mike. Again, you guys remember him and his beautiful car. Recently took delivery of this. Everyone thought I was taking delivery of it.
I know,
They
but
were
it
very
wasn't.
angry, very angry.
You know what though?
Anyhow, here we are. Now, Mike is kind of cocky. To be honest with you, you've been chirping in my ear. You're very confident in your new car. If we look at like 0 to 60 specs, this car is faster. I mean, official times are 3.7. Official times in the stock C63 is 3.9. Now, my car is tuned, which doesn't help the C6 or the 0 to 60 time whatsoever because it just can't get traction. So your car is a lot lighter. It's like 3,500 pounds. That's a curb weight.
Something like that, yeah. I know spec for the horsepower on this is definitely underrated. I can tell you that.
It's 453 official numbers.
Yeah, it's over 500.
Yeah, that's what BMW does, and I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, power to weight ratio, this car is better, but mine is tuned, as we all know. So my prediction is, the cocky M3 owner here, you might take me right if we do if our drivers do a roll race or a dig race. You'll definitely, you might take me.
Here's the thing, we are having issues with the launch control in the car.
Yeah.
It's had a 1,200 mile service. It has 1,150 miles on it now.
Okay.
Official from BMW, they said take it up to 1,250. If launch control doesn't start at that time, then they have to bring in a master tech from New Jersey to come look at the car. As of right now, so we're in that issue.
Okay.
So we won't be using launch control, but
okay.
we can sort of go out and dig still. It has good traction.
Right. It'll definitely be roll race time here, but we'll probably get one dig in. So it's an M3 CS. Gorgeous car, beautiful wheels, got carbon fiber roof. You guys know me, I'm an AMG guy, but this M3 right here is amazing. It is beautiful. All right, so you got this painted or wrapped?
Painted.
Painted? Okay, all right.
We were gonna do the open air intakes, but because the vent's here and water runs in,
right,
we're gonna keep it closed. I'm just gonna have this painted instead of doing carbon fiber. I mean, 1,200 bucks for a piece of carbon fiber for the air intake, and they still use like K&N or BMC filters. I'm just gonna change the filters out and paint it.
Okay. All right, so I think we're ready to go. We got some drivers coming to pick up the cars here very, very soon. So we got about 630 crank horsepower-ish, about 4,000 pound car. We got around 500 according to Mike. It's 453, the official numbers, but BMW underrate them. So 500 horsepower and around 3,600 pounds. It's gonna be interesting. What do you say, Mike?
Yes, it is. It'll be fun. Either way, win or lose, it's still a good time to drive the cars.
Right, let's go. All right, here we are, Mike. Got our cars back. Got a brief briefing on how it went.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Actually, it went pretty good. Closer than what I thought it was going to be.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I know.
No,
I thought
you
it was going
did.
to be you. Oh, well.
No, but apparently
there's got to be a loser.
So I mean, I feel like it makes sense the way that the results came about. Like at lower speeds, your car keeps up pretty good with my car because of its weight, and it's still very powerful.
Yeah.
As soon as speeds, you know, get up in slightly over 55, my car pulls away from your car.
Yeah, it's good.
Because it has more horsepower and more torque. I mean,
yeah, mine is bone stock.
Yeah, yours is bone. Well, you
I tinted
painted
the windows,
something there.
and I tinted the windows.
But when spring comes, you might be getting this cartoon, correct? Downpipes, yeah.
You know, the warranty issue with BMW is pretty tough sometimes.
Well, you need to just go trade it in and get a C63 again.
Well, I had a C63.
Oh, it's all friendly fun. This was a really cool day. Good thing that the cars got to meet up and have a battle here. So what did you guys think of that outcome? Was it what you expected, or were you surprised? Mike's car is definitely, to be a stock car, it is very, very powerful. Definitely underrated horsepower numbers. You think it's 520, correct?
It's over 5. I mean,
it's got to be 520 for it to keep up with this car. Even though it's heavier, it's got like 630 crank with the tune and the downpipes. So yeah, definitely powerful car. Although, you know, weighs 400 pounds less-ish around there. Yeah, so did I though. So yeah, I was actually going to ask you about that, but I forgot. But so yeah, pretty even there as well. But big thanks to Mike for coming out. I think I'll be doing a full review of this car, not today, but at a later point. I'm actually gonna take it for a quick spin here and get a feel for it. So I look forward to a video on the M3 CS. Although we already did a video, we're doing a proper review. If you guys enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, please subscribe. Follow Mike on Instagram at mpisuti. Do you have a YouTube now as well?
Well, sorry, but it's not up there yet. I mean, I have a couple of videos on it, but...
You want to link it or not?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.